The old 1989 GL 1500 has got a little something that's annoying me. It has a rough idle and it's kind of jumpy on the highway. It's got 115. I just had the timing belts done and something else. Oh yeah, the carburetor cleaned out. Said he did anyway. It's plenty warm. I know it's cold right here right now, but it does this even in the summertime. So if anybody out there has any idea what I should look for next, that would be helpful. The old Spud Islander. It kind of smooths out once you get up there, but the needle's rock solid. But it's doing that bounce thing, and I looked up rough idle and I can't figure it out. It takes a while for it to get there, and then it'll take right off. Can't figure it out.